I don't want to hear anything. She doesn't even let me rest properly.
Oh, what's there to get angry about? Look over there.
Oh, I told you. I don't want to see anything.
Uppi, why are you so angry?
Look, Amma. I have been saying for so long. The boat is sinking.
What? My boat? Why didn't you say this earlier? Finally, I saved my boat.
Uppi, it seems like your anger is also like Vijay Sethu.
Amma, then we must listen to the story of Vijay Sethu. Both us and Uppi uncle.
Yes. Why not?
Yay! It's story time with
Sudama. Case of the missing necklace. Princess Beena of Vijayanagar had a great fondness of jewelry. She loved to wear the most beautiful and precious jewels. That's why all the jewelers around would come to her to sell their jewelry.
Look at this, princess. It seems like this necklace is made for you, and you are made for this necklace.
This is truly very beautiful. I liked it very much. You'll be paid whatever price you quote for this.
Beena liked the necklace so much that she always wore it.
My necklace! My lovely necklace! Where did it go? Where did it go?
The necklace? It was here just now. Forgive me, princess.
Apologize later. First find that necklace. Soldiers!
Yes, my princess.
My necklace, my lovely necklace has been stolen. I want my necklace back at any cost.
Don't worry, princess. Whoever dared to steal your necklace in my kingdom, I will not spare them. I will not let them escape. Soldiers, come with me.
Vijay Sethu set out with the soldiers to find the necklace. Meanwhile, in Udankar's shop,
I have come to repay my debt.
What? To repay the debt? Well then, what are you waiting for? Money is honey. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. Huh? This is just one coin. Where are the other 4 coins? You took 5 coins from me. Money is honey.
I will repay the rest later.
Not later. I'll give you until tomorrow. Otherwise, your field will be mine. Money is honey.
Ramu returned to his field in distress.
How will I get 4 coins in one day?
Ramu was lost in these thoughts when Vijay Sethu, along with the soldiers, were passing by in anger.
Catch him and put him in jail. He must not escape under any circumstances.
Hearing
Understood?
Vijay Sethu shouting angrily, Ramu felt he was talking about him. This made Ramu anxious because Vijay Sethu's anger was infamous throughout Vijayanagar. And facing his wrath was not something Ramu wanted to do. Therefore, Ramu found it appropriate to flee from there.
It seems he has stolen the necklace. Catch him! Don't let him escape! How will you escape from me?
Forgive me, Commander, but...
Stop with the ifs and buts. First tell me, where is the necklace?
The necklace? But...
He won't reveal it like this. He will only start talking after going to jail. Soldiers, arrest him.
He won't Listen to me. I'll tell. I gave that necklace to Udanka.
Soldiers, arrest him and let's go to Udanka.
Udanka, why won't you refrain from doing adulteration? It's not stones mixed in the rice, but the rice is mixed with stones.
What's there to feel bad about it, Manies, honey? It's good, isn't it? Your teeth will become stronger.
Don't make excuses. Otherwise, I will complain to the king.
Oh, no. Don't complain to the king. You take another sack, Manies, honey. I am saved, Manies, honey.
Meanwhile, Minister Saranga was also passing by from there.
Greetings, Minister.
Vijay Sethu reached Udanka.
Udanka, where is what Ramu gave you? Give it to me.
Ramu? Wow! Not only did he give me just one instead of 5, on top of that, he sent you to me.
5? It means you are conspiring to steal 5 necklaces?
Necklace? What necklace? Which necklace? Whose necklace?
You've been caught red-handed, Udanka. Hand over the stolen necklace straight away. Otherwise, not only you, your shop's reputation will also be tarnished.
What? What should I do now? Okay, that necklace. Yes, I sold it to Keshav. He just left here a moment ago.
Soldiers, catch him. He should not escape. How dare he! You think you can outsmart me? Now quickly tell me where the necklace is.
Necklace? Which necklace?
Making excuses won't reduce my anger. Tell me quickly, otherwise the punishment for this could even be the death penalty.
Death penalty? Greetings, Minister. That necklace, I gave it to Minister Saranga.
What? Minister Saranga? Well, even if he's a minister, it doesn't matter. Vijay Sethu's justice remains the same for everyone.
And that's why he didn't spare Minister Saranga either. And without a second thought, he also arrested him and put all the 4 of them in jail.
What? The commander has also arrested Minister Saranga. Soldier, I want to know the whole truth. You go and secretly listen to their conversations in the prison. Minister Saranga can never do such a thing.
Tell me the truth. Who took my name?
Forgive me, Minister. Vijay Sethu was going to sentence me to death. And to save myself from that, I took your name. I don't have any necklace.
If you don't even have the necklace, then how did Vijay Sethu reach you?
It's because of me, Minister.
Then everyone told their side of the story to the minister one by one. The soldier quietly listened to their conversation and informed everything to the king.
So that's the case. No one knows where the necklace is, yet everyone is in jail. Go and search the garden again. Perhaps it's still there somewhere.
As you wish, my king.
I found it! I found the necklace! My king, the princess's necklace was with a monkey.
What? With a monkey? My lovely necklace.
Commander, if your oath to find the necklace is fulfilled, should we release Minister Saranga and the others, whom you have imprisoned on the charge of stealing the necklace? What do you say, Commander?
Forgive me, my king. I'm sorry for not giving them a chance to defend themselves due to my anger.
And then Vijay Sethu released everyone and decided that he would not take any decision under the influence of anger.
Did you see, Uppi uncle? Anger can sometimes lead you to severe loss.
Got it, Nuni. From now on, I'll try to control my anger.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.
बातों ही बातों में टप से टपके चखे वही जो गप से गपके साबुत सा सच्चा सा किस्सा सुनाने आई हूँ मैं खट्टा मीठा जगाने चुलबुल सी बच्ची मैं हूँ दादी नानी चुलबुल सी बच्ची मैं हूँ दादी नानी कैसे कहानी अरे कैसे कहानी मैं हूँ वही प्यारी खुशबू पुरानी चुटकी सी बातों में बड़का सच बोलूंगी झोंका बन आऊंगी एक खिड़की खोलूंगी उंगली पकड़ के संग संग चलूंगी खूब खूब